Realme is one of the prominent smartphone providers in the world. But with a wide number of choices currently available from the company under various price bands, it is difficult to choose the best one. In this video, I am going to show you the latest best Realme phones that you can choose from, offering the right mix of hardware and features under the given price band. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Realme Narzo 20 Pro smartphone was launched on 21st September 2020. The phone comes with a display of 6.5 inch with a full HD plus resolution and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is the latest processor and the powerful one, coupled with 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. The Realme Narzo 20 Pro runs on Android 10 out of the box, and this phone packs a huge 4500 mAh of battery, also supports the fast charging. As far as cameras are concerned, the Realme Narzo 20 Pro on the rear packs a 48 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, a second 8 megapixel camera, a third 2 megapixel camera and a fourth 2 megapixel camera. The quad camera setup looks promising and guarantees the best picture quality. It also has a 16 megapixel of selfie camera to shoot beautiful selfies. This phone not only packs the great specification, but it is also lighter one. The phone is 9.4mm thick and it weighs around 191 grams. The phone is launched in Black Ninja and White Knight colors. Coming to the price of the phone is priced around 15,000 Indian rupees and will be available for $200 in the international market. Links for various countries are given in the description. You can check the availability and price in your country and buy it from there. Realme 7. Realme 7 brings in the three main upgrades over the Realme 6. A new chipset, a bigger battery and a new primary camera sensor. It features a mirror split design which creates some interesting patterns when light hits it. The Realme 7 is actually thicker than the Realme 6, measuring 9.4mm thick, and also it is heavier at 196.5 gram. The Realme 7 is the first phone to debut with the MediaTek Helio G95 chipset. This is an updated version of the Helio G90T, which was seen in Realme 6, but it's not a major upgrade and the performance is pretty satisfactory. As G90T is mainly for gaming, the Realme 7 is also good for gaming too. Realme 7 gets a chunky 5000 mAh of battery and you can charge the battery fairly quickly too, thanks to the 30W Dart Charge fast charging. As far as cameras are concerned, the new primary rear camera in the Realme 7 offers a noticeable improvement in the pixel bin images compared to the Realme 6. It exhibits improved dynamic range and exposed with the better details. The quad camera setup comprises of 64 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of 1.8, a second 8 megapixel camera, third 2 megapixel camera and a fourth 2 megapixel camera. There is also a selfie camera of 16 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2 to take beautiful selfies. The phone will cost you around $200 in the international market and 15,000 Indian rupees. Buy this phone for its good performance, sturdy and well built, excellent battery life, 90Hz display and decent main camera. The disappointments are, this phone is heavy and thick and the video quality could have been better. Realme X7 Pro. Realme X7 Pro smartphone was launched on 1st of September 2020 in China and will be available in other countries in the month of October and November 2020. The smartphone comes with a 6.55 inch of display with full HD plus resolution. This phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset, which is a very powerful one, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 10 and packs 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Realme X7 Pro on the rear packs a 64 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, a second 8 megapixel camera and a third 2 megapixel camera and a fourth 2 megapixel camera. The rear quad camera looks promising and guarantees the best picture quality. There is also a 32 megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f2.45 to take the beautiful selfies. Realme X Pro is not so thin and looks heavier at 8.5mm thickness and 184 grams. The phone will cost you around $200 to $250 in the international market. As this is the expected price, you can check for more details, the links given in the description. Realme 7 Pro. The Realme 7 Pro is a spiritual successor to the Realme 6 Pro, boasting of big upgrades such as an AMOLED display, stereo speakers, and 65W fast charging. The Realme 7 Pro features the same mirror split design on its back, but it is a lot slimmer than Realme 7, measuring 8.7mm thickness and lighter at 182 grams. Realme 7 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is a little bit disappointment, so we were expecting Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G. The phone comes with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. There is an 4500 mAh of battery in the Realme 7 Pro, which can last up to one full day on a full charge, but you can charge this phone really faster because it supports 65W fast charging. The rear camera on the Realme 7 Pro includes a 64MP Sony IMX682 main camera, a 8MP ultra wide angle camera, 2MP depth camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The quad camera setup given looks promising and offers great picture quality. There is a huge 32MP of selfie camera for the selfie lovers. Coming to the price of the phone will cost you around $300 in the international market and 20,000 Indian rupees. Buy this smartphone for its well-built and pleasing design, best cameras, stereo speakers, vivid AMOLED display, and the very fast charging support. The disappointments are average low-light camera performance as per many reviews, and there is only 60Hz display, which is also a disappointing thing. Realme X50 Pro. The Realme X50 Pro is a 5G ready and features the top-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. In terms of performance, this device is excellent for gaming as well as a general productivity. Realme has also used the high-speed RAM and storage plus a 90Hz display for a snappy overall experience. This is a mid-range flagship phone that truly can take off many of the much more expensive models in the market. The X50 Pro 5G is available in two muted color options and looks quite premium with its glass and metal body. However, the back is slippery and this phone is somewhat bulky and heavy also. Coming to the camera, there is a quad rear camera setup provided comprising 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, 8MP secondary camera, 12MP third camera, and a 2MP fourth camera. There is a dual selfie camera module comprising of 32MP selfie camera with an aperture of f2.5 plus an 8MP of secondary camera with an aperture of f2.2, which guarantees amazing selfies. This phone packs 4200 mAh of battery and comes with a fast charging support. The phone will cost you around $600 to $700 in the international market and 40,000 Indian rupees. You can buy this phone for its top-end Snapdragon 865 chipset, 5G ready, impressive display and sound quality, extremely quick charging, and it is a great value for money package. The disappointments are the 4K video and night mode disappoints, relatively heavy and slippery, and there is no wireless charging or IP rating provided. So these are the best Realme phones that you can consider to buy for 2021. If you have any other Realme phone in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.